Ang na-distribute sa atin ngayon is yung limited edition, which is merong NFC function. Ayan, itong maliit na card nito to turn it on. Ayan o. Then try rin natin i-off muna ha. Ayun o. Mga pare ko, itatry ni Sir Adrian ang ating V-Bike Oxy V8S. O, ayan, makikita nyo meron na itong rear suspension dahil ito ang version 2 ng ating V-Bike Oxy V8. Tap lang yan. Ayun. So, let's go Sir Adrian. Ayan, tandaan lang. Ayun. Brake lang. Ayan. Nagulat si Sir Adrian. Ang lakas ng kanyang e-bike. So, ang ating V-Bike Oxy V8S, kahit single motor lang ito and 1000 watts, pero napakalakas nito mga parikoy. At meron itong 48 volts and 15 AH na lithium battery, kaya kayang tumakbo as per manual ng 45 to 65 kilometers bawat full charge. Ayun, no? Meron pang headlight. Meron din yung taillight, brake light, at saka signal light. Try mo nga yung signal light, sir. Ayun. And then, try mo rin yung horn. Baba niyan. Ayan. So, musta naman, Sir Adrian?
Sobrang okay.
Ayan. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, so that is our V-Bike Oxy V8S.